Let's dive right into it. This is going to be the third part. Today we're going to be installing this flooring on the ground. I'm going to show you some cool stuff about this product. So right here, we're going to start on the left side because you always want to work from the left to the right. We're going to have our start, which is going to be this groove that's here right here. And then you're going to have your end, which is going to be this tongue that sticks out. This part essentially fits into this part. Make sure that you're also using your spacers. You want to keep at least 1/4 inch gap along the whole perimeter of this installation. It's very important that you get your first row in and that it's completely straight all the way down, because your first couple rows are going to set the tone to your whole entire installation. Here we have it, guys. We have almost 2 full rows installed with 1/4 inch spacers around the whole entire perimeter. Come back for part 4 where we finish this installation and give tips on in-cut pieces.